Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to guess the value of the limit as x approaches to 3 for this function by evaluating the function at the given numbers. As you can already see here, x is equal to all these numbers, correct to 6 decimal places. So let's quickly go over this. First, I'm just gonna try to, since we've been asked us physically to plug in the values to find the limit of this function, as we already know at x is equal to 3, this function is undefined. So just to make my life a little easier, I'm just gonna simplify this expression so it's easier to plug in the values and so what I'm gonna do is let's just plug in some let me just simplify this expression real quick. And so applying the a square minus b square formula here, a plus b, a minus b. So this would be x minus 3, x plus 3. This cancels out. So we are left with x over x plus 3. And we already know x is not equal to 3. Alrighty, so let's start with plugging these numbers to find the limit. And already assuming you have your calculators ready to go. And make sure you see that we've been asked to convert to 6 decimal places. So let's go with 3.1. And when you plug in the values in this function, 3.1 over 3.1 plus 3, this, so you will see something like this in calculator, right? I mean, 0.5081967131. I mean, it goes on, right? But we've been asked physically to 6 decimal places, so this would be equal to 0.12345 6. And this is 7 here, right, after 6, so we can round this up and it would be 0.508197. And you are going to do the same thing for the rest of the values. Um I'll just do for a couple more. For like 3.05, it would be, the limit is equal to 0.504132, 3.01, 0. Okay, let me just create another one here. 2.9, 0.49, 2.95. And as you can already tell, The limit for this function as x approaches to 3 seems to be 0.5, right? So you can, the final answer is limit as x approaches to 3 for this function x square minus 3x over x square minus 9 is equal to 0.5 or 1 over 2. And here is your answer. I mean, you can also um, just to see like you're getting the correct answer, you can also just try to plug in the values here once we simplify the expression, because we already know at x is equal to this function is undefined. So you can plug in this value here, and see what we get to make sure you're getting the right answer. So this is 3 over 6, which is 1